Alright, here we go. Veritable who's who of early notchback Type 3 parts and accessories. All the goodies I stripped off today, including the bumpers. And here she is, one of the last times out in the sun before I hit it hard. Get her buffed out, polished up. You can see stripped down pretty good. All the goodies. I still have to take those badges off. Freaking club thing and that Grolschlager thing. The incorrect rimmage. That's gonna go away. And of course a painted original one, slotted. Running good as she always does. There we go. Next is probably take off the rims, buffer up, probably clay sand, wet bar clay, get some of that film and junk off from road rashing it. I gotta take the antenna off still, I see. So little things, but there she is, all stripped up, ready to be sent off to the paint shop for some gold metallic green paint. Slam that bad boy on some 6-inch Fuchs.